We are given a 1.5 meter tall boy. Again, remember there is the length, height of the boy mentioned. So that is the point is not on the ground. Is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. So what I have understood as of now is that there is a building. This is a building which is 30 meter in length, right? Being building mark 90 degrees here. Alright, children. And there is a boy standing at some distance. Which distance? I don't know what distance is that. Some distance means I don't know what is the distance. So this is some distance, and a boy is there whose height is 1.5 meter. All right. Let the name of the boy be AB, and the height of the building is CD. Now, the angle of elevation from his eyes. Here we have to make angle of elevation to the top of the building, that is C, A to C, increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Now, in this question, we are clearly given that as he is walking towards the building, the angle of elevation is increasing. Even it is not mentioned that angle is increasing, you should be knowing by your common sense. Now, to make angle of elevation, first of all, I need to have a normal line of sight. Let me call this point P. Now, from A to C, this is angle of elevation. What is the angle, beta? What is this angle?
30 degree.
30.
Yes.
30 degree.
Now, as he walking towards the building, वो building की तरफ चल रहा है. At some point, we do not know which point is that. Let us take that point to be P. If he just looks at the top of the building again, the angle of elevation now is
50.
60 degree. Are you clear with the figure?
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
again repeating 1.5 meter tall boy, 30 meter tall building. From A, the angle of elevation is 30 degree. Since we have mentioned the eye level, we have to draw a normal line first, right? And as the boy is walking towards the building, the angle of elevation is now increased to 60 degree. Clear? Find the distance he walks towards the building. What is the distance he is walking towards the building?
AQ.
Can you please tell
AP.
me? AP.
AP.
He was here. He's walked up to this place. So we have to calculate AP. Yes, beta. Question mein you don't have to worry. You just have to take care of two right triangles. Can you tell me the two right triangles being formed?
CPQ.
ACT.
PCQ or
And C.
CQ. CQP and
ACQ.
CQA.
or
In
PCA.
these two triangles, what is known to us? What is a common thing that is known to us?
CQ.
90 degree.
Perpendicular.
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 CQ. What is the length CQ?
30 meter minus 1.5
30
meter.
meter minus 1.5 meter.
27.
28.5 meter.
28.5.
Minus 1.5, 28.5. So from the first triangle, we will find PQ. From the second triangle, we shall find AQ. And then AQ minus PQ will give you AP.
Is equal to
Okay, ma'am.
AQ minus
Okay.
PQ
Yes,
will
ma'am,
give
समझ
you
आ गया.
समझ आ गया बेटा question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we do it?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let us
ma'am.
first do the introduction. Let CD be a building and AB 1.5 meter, and thus it means that CQ is equal to 28.5 meter. Right? To find AP. So let us first take triangle CPQ. In right triangle CQP, CQ upon PQ is equal to tan 60. Right? Right, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which means 28.5 meter upon PQ. Now, what is the value of tan 60?
Root 3.
Root 3. Root 3.
Root 3.
Root 3. Which will give me
28.5 upon root 3.
which will give me cross multiplying upon the root 3. Let us rationalize it. So this will be 28.5 divided by 3, root 3 meter. Now if you cancel 28.5 by 3, what you will get? 9.5.
9.5.
9.5.
That is what we are getting as PQ.
मैम थोड़ा मैम वो फिगर दिखा दो. यस मैम
Clear?
ठीक है. यस मैम.
Now next is which triangle? CQA.
Yeah.
In right triangle CQA. Next, in right triangle CQA. What will we get? CQ upon AQ is tan 30 degree. This means 28.5 meter upon AQ and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3.
1 upon.
Right, beta? So this gives me cross multiplying AQ is 28.5 root 3 meter. Right, children? Now we have
Yes,
got
ma'am.
AQ, we have got PQ also. If anybody is having problem, I am explaining here again. AQ is with us, PQ is also with us. So if we just subtract PQ from AQ, will we be getting AP? That is the distance traveled towards the building. Now, final statement from the question itself, find the distance he walks towards the building. So the distance walked by the boy towards the building is equal AP, which is equal AQ minus PQ, which is 28.5 meter, 28.5 root 3 minus 9.5 root 3 meter. What does it mean?
19 root 3 meter.
Yes. And let us put the value of root 3. Can you see, children, I am writing meter at each and every step. It is important. Please multiply and let me know.
मैम प्लीज बोर्ड थोड़ा इस तरफ कर दो.
मैम
That I
32.8
okay.
Ma'am, 32.87.
मैम 32.87 है
Ma'am, 32.87.
Okay. Priyansh,